The Great Recession of 1929 left a deep impact on America's economy. At that time, the whole world was trying to emerge from a Great Depression. Unemployment in the US was 25% in 30s, but Germany's attack on Poland changed everything. Britain and France attacked Germany and Italy together, and this was the beginning of World War II. Nobody knew that everything was going to change, and the lives of Americans too. The US was not involved in World War II before Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor, but this big disaster had done a lot for America. In this video, we will talk about how World War II positively impacted America. This doesn't mean that America lost nothing in this war. In this war, about 4 lakh American soldiers were killed. Before the World War, the standard of living of the American people was 60% lower than before the recession. Bankruptcy of people, companies and banks was common. But after the World War started, America was the biggest supplier of assassinations to European countries. So suddenly a lot of factories were set up in the US. This led to a very rapid reduction in unemployment in the US. Unemployment had come down by 10% because the US had supplied a lot of weapons. They needed many people for manufacturing, which gave employment to many people. But in 1941, Japan also forced the US to come to the World War. By this time, American women were confined only at home. But many Americans became busy in war and giving food and medical supplies to soldiers. So women too started working out of the house. Britain and France became more powerful after joining with the US. Till now, Germany, Japan and Italy were dominating the war, but the whole situation changed as Germany attacked the Soviet Union and Japan's attack on the US. The Germans and Japanese were trapped on all sides. Hitler was continuously losing territories, and German army didn't survive in front of US until 1944, and Hitler committed suicide. And with this, Germany surrendered, and eventually a nuclear attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 forced Japan to surrender. This was the end of the World War. This war affected all countries physically and psychologically. Worldwide, 8 million people died. The dominance of superpowers like England and France was over. Almost all the countries were under deep debt. Many cities were destroyed. US also had lost a lot of its soldiers, but had not suffered much due to late involvement in the war. In 1939, the gross national product of America was 88.6 billion US dollar, which had increased to 135 billion US dollar in 1944. At the end, I wanna say that war destroys community and families, and often disputes the development of the social and economic fabric of nations. So this is my video, hope you enjoy it. If you like the video and want more videos like this, then comment below, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.